Use a calculator to find an approximation to 4 decimal places for each logarithm. In part A, we have log of 21.3. That's a common log, or a log base 10. Using our calculator to evaluate this, we get approximately 1.32837. We want to find this approximation to 4 decimal places. That 7 causes this 3 to round up. Let's write that approximation as 1.3284. In part B, we have the natural log of 0.43. Using our calculator, that is approximately a negative 0.84397. We want to round this to 4 decimal places. This 7 is going to cause that to round up. So we'll write this as a negative 0.84. Now as we round that up, that 9 is going to carry over. So this is a negative 0.8440. In part C, we have a log base 6 of 45. Let's use our change of base rule to rewrite this as common log 45 over common log of 6. Those are log base 10 each. Evaluating with our calculator, we'll get approximately 2.12453 to 4 decimal places then. This gets chopped off. This is a 2.1245.